It's back to school. Well, it's about that time to wake up at the crack of dawn and only have 20 minutes to get ready and have to run after the bus because you took too long to do your makeup. Well, girl, school has started because you know, guys, I be late. Y'all be looking for me to upload, but I be late. Yeah, that is back to school. And yeah, I've graduated. So I don't have to deal with that, but you do. I'm here to give you a back to school makeup tutorial. It should be like a quick little like 30-40 minute a 30-40 minute glam so you could go back to school. Okay, I do feel bad for y'all. Like, I do feel terrible, but you guys will get through it. You guys got this. I start off with a facial cleanser, the one by Cetaphil. Since we're waking up so early, I want my skin to feel refreshed before I put on some makeup for school or whatever. And that's what I would usually do. So yeah, I'm just gonna like go and wash this off, get this off my face so my face can be nice and smooth. Okay, so just start with primer, babies. Oh. Start with primer. I'm the baby. Goop, goop. And then go in with some Mario Badescu skincare. Like, that's what I do. And now we're looking fresh. So I'm gonna take my Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Wiz in the shade Ebony and just like go in lightly with brows because like for school, I never really had like, it takes me like 30 minutes to do my brows regularly and I don't have 30 minutes to do my brows.
I have 30 minutes to do my entire face.
Well, sometimes I would do like a full Instagram brow, give you very snatched, to give you very clean, crisp. But sometimes I would have to just give you very bushy, very big. You get my drift? You see that? Like it's really fluffy, and we kind of like that. But if you can see the door. Well, and just take some Anastasia Beverly Hills little brow, dip brow, the gel thingy fills in the brows easily. Yeah. And that's how we're looking. Alright, now time for concealer. I use Fun by LA Girl Cosmetics, LA Girl Pro, whatever, LA Girl Pro Conceal. Oh my god, I bit my tongue. LA Girl Cosmetics Pro Concealer, shade Fun. And I'm gonna go in and conceal the top with, why do I keep dropping everything? We're gonna go in with the Wet n Wild Beauty, concealer. That's as good as it's gonna get over here. And then we're gonna go in with the Anastasia Brow Gel to hold the brows in place so they can be stuck, so they cannot move. I wasn't recording the entire time. I was going in with the NYX concealer in the shade Deep Golden for my foundation because I don't use foundation for like full makeup when I want to do like a natural glam, because I feel like it could be way too full coverage and make me look a bit cakey, and we don't want to do that. And just blend that out like it's foundation. Then go in with a bit of concealer, a bit of concealer in Shade Fawn for me. I don't use a lot, but I use a lot. I'm probably gonna use a lot most likely. And then I highlight with the Maybelline Age Rewind concealer in the shade Golden, I believe. Golden Doré. I'm not French, so I don't know. Tiny bit of that to highlight. And then I just let it sit and dry so it can really fill in those creases and just do something like, go crazy, go stupid. And now I'm gonna take my Anastasia loose setting powder in the shade Deep Peach to set. I'm gonna set everything, make sure it's all there because, whew. How long is school? That's like 8 hours. That's like 8 long hours, baby. You want that makeup to stay in place all day. You can use a lot if you want, but like don't use too much. Cause I typically I get lost when I set. Like I really just get like lost. Like I apply a lot when I don't mean to, but I'm gonna try to keep it to a minimum. And we're just gonna let that set, so. Well, anyways, so how have you guys been? Have you guys been good? Because I've been struggling. I've been having a lot of breakdowns, crying at random times. I don't know. It's just sometimes I get overwhelmed by the smallest things. Kind of annoying. Like, I'll be like so happy, so like lit, so. And then next time I'm like, I'm an emotional wreck. I don't really have a reason to, but I am. Hope you guys have been fine though. Hope you guys are living. Hope you guys are thriving. School is back. That is okay. Don't let that stop the thrive. Don't let that stop the grind. You gotta go get it.
You gotta grind, you gotta get it, go grind.
That's some period. So we're gonna dust this off. It's been a minute. So I'm just gonna take my soft focus. I'm gonna take my soft focus finishing powder.
And I'm gonna attempt to
open it. I'm gonna take an Anastasia A20 brush. It's like really big. And just take a little bit of product. And I'm gonna use this to wipe away the bake. And I'm gonna take the soft focus finishing powder and
soft focus finishing powder in the shade.
Soft focus finishing powder in the shade lighter. One shade lighter. I'm just gonna take a little bit of this. Yeah, and just a little spray of Mario. And there we go, the base is like kind of really complete. I'm gonna take my Anastasia liquid liner. And when I do makeup, I really don't do eyeshadow for like back to school looks. Do a wing liner and book it. That is a pretty scary wing liner, but we're just gonna rock.
We're just gonna rock with that. These are two completely different wings.
Okay. I didn't think I could get any worse at wing liner. I was wrong. No, I'm gonna just stop it right there. I'm gonna just stop it right there. I'm scared, so I'm just gonna hit up. And just go on with the next step. So I'm gonna go in with bronzer. The Coffee and Cocoa bronzer palette from Beauty Bakery is like a big favorite right now. Just go into La Vida Mocha, mix them together. And then I go in with my Anastasia Beverly Hills Blush Trio. And I use the shades, if I could open it, there we go. Scorching and Babe. I mixed them together. And blend it all out. Put a lot on my nose because I love that nose blush. And then I tone it down just a little bit. And then highlight, spray my face with the Mario again to get it wet so it can stick. And now I'm gonna take my Anastasia Glow Kit. I'm gonna take the shades Bronze and Tourmaline. Now I'm just gonna take Bronze. You were pranked, I lied. And just put some on the chin. Okay, maybe I put on too much. Maybe I just put on a little too much. I'm gonna go in with like a brow eyeliner to like do fake freckles. You know, I'm not doing the freckles. I literally don't know how. So I just popped on some Lily lashes in the style Caramel. Lashes are like really optional. And if you want to just use some mascara, it ain't hurting me, baby. Just throw it on. And now I'm gonna go in with some gloss. And now it's time for the last thing. And here's your back to school blend. So I just want a wig. I mean, like, you can if you want to. I mean, you don't have to, but they can look cuter, so. Yeah, I just do a few hair clips, pins, whatever you want to call them. Do a little tuck behind the ear. Okay, it's not tucking. It's not going. Okay. Yeah, I mean, it should only take about like 30 minutes, excluding the whole wig and all of that. Like, you know, you just got your eyebrows, concealer, lashes, blush, and all of that stuff, highlight. Set it all in with some Mario. Well, that's it. So, if you guys enjoyed, leave a comment, like, subscribe, do all of that. And yeah, I hope you liked the video. Hope you learned something. If you learned something, that'll be awesome. That'll be cool. That'll be great. Love that for you. So yeah, hope you enjoyed. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Love you guys, and bye. Okay, it's like so freaking hot in here, like I'm sweating, like, it's time to go.